Today I'm taking you on an exciting full ship tour of the absolutely beautiful Discovery Princess. From top deck views to luxurious dining and everything in between, this ship is packed with amazing spots you won't want to miss. We're taking on a full ship tour starting on deck 19. This is the only thing on deck 19, a mini golf course that you can play a little mini golf if you want. The sky deck features the sanctuary at the bow of the ship and the sports court and a jogging track at the back. We're in the sanctuary, which is at the bow of the ship, right above the bridge, and you can see this area is a super lovely place to come. Normally you have to pay a fee to be in the sanctuary, but today, since it's the first day, they want you to come check it out in case you want to come back. The Movies Under the Stars screen hangs above the sky pool on deck 18. This blue line is the walking track, the jogging track. I would not be jogging, but I might be walking. And then here you've got the court, which they have pickleball, and you can see basketball. On deck 17, you'll find the retreat pool area, the youth and teen centers, and the fitness center. This is the retreat pool and the retreat bar. And this is an adults-only area on the ship. And you can go here, you don't have to pay extra. You pay extra for the sanctuary. You don't pay extra for the retreat. If you want to get your fitness on, they have a fitness center that has tons of cardio equipment that overlooks the ocean while you work out. After your cardio or before, you've got weight machines and free weights also to keep fit while you're on the cruise. If you do sail with kids, there's Camp Discovery and the beach house. The beach house is for the older kids. The centerpiece of deck 16, known as the Lido deck, is the sky pool area. This area features 2 swimming pools and 4 outdoor jacuzzis and provides ample space for guests to unwind. Off the sky pool area, you will find Slice Pizzeria that offers freshly made pizza perfect for a grab-and-go meal. They even offer gluten-free crust upon request. The Salty Dog Cafe is a popular dining spot right on the pool deck. The menu includes burgers, hot dogs, chicken sandwiches, loaded fries, and street tacos. The Skywalk is a 60-foot-long, glass-floored, cantilevered walkway that extends out from the side of the ship, giving you a surreal view of the ocean directly below, especially when there's other boats scooting by. If you're looking for a soft serve ice cream, it's on the pool deck at Swirls on deck 16. Swirls serves complimentary soft serve ice cream in classic flavors like vanilla, chocolate, and twist. The World Fresh Marketplace is a buffet-style dining which offers a diverse selection of global cuisines for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. To learn more about what they offered on our sailing, be sure to subscribe for upcoming videos. In addition to a wide variety of food options, the World Fresh Marketplace offers a more relaxed dining setting, offering an alternative to the more formal main dining room. One of my favorite spots on the ship is the pastry shop in the World Fresh Marketplace. Here you'll find an array of delicious baked treats along with freshly made specialty coffees. If you have the Princess Plus or Princess Premier packages, the coffee is included. But if you don't, you can also purchase them a la carte. If you head towards the back of the ship, you'll find the Wakeview Bar area, a perfect spot to enjoy your meal outdoors. It's an ideal place to relax and take in the beautiful views when the weather is nice, offering a scenic and comfortable setting to dine while surrounded by the open sea. The Wakeview Pool is located at the aft or back of the ship, offering stunning views of the ocean while you relax, swim, and enjoy the scenery. Deck 7, the Promenade Deck, hosts many entertainment venues and specialty restaurants. We're in Princess Theater, and if you're like me, this is where you want to be. This is where all the production shows are and all the guest entertainers as well. It's all the big entertainment happens right here. This is the shops on Princess. So there's tons of shops that have all sorts of different things that you can spend your money on. This is Sabatini's. Sabatini's is one of the specialty restaurants that's on most of the Princess ships. It's an Italian trattoria, and it has like an open kitchen here, which is super cool. And you can see it's right off of the Piazza. We are in Alfredo's. Well, it's Gigi's by Alfredo on this ship. And Gigi's is their pizza restaurant. This one counts as a casual dining. It comes with 2 casual dinings if you have the Princess Plus, or unlimited if you have the Princess Premier, or you can buy a la carte. You can get like just pizza or their whole meal. The International Cafe is one place to get coffee. That is like specialty coffee. The other place to come is Princess Live Cafe, which has specialty coffees as well. This is Princess Live. It is a lounge where they host the game shows and the trivia. One of the best places on the ship, if you ask me. This is the Crown Grill Bar, which is right outside the Crown Grill restaurant. The Crown Grill restaurant is one of the specialty restaurants. It's a steakhouse, and it's supposed to have a delicious, delicious food. The Crown Grill is a premium steakhouse, which is known for its exceptional steaks, including perfectly aged cuts like filet mignon and New York strip. I'm in the Vista Lounge, and the Vista Lounge is where they have comedy shows, they do trivia, they do bingo. It's one of those multi-purpose lounges where they can pretty much do anything to keep us, you and me, entertained. On Deck 6, the Fiesta Deck, you'll find Princess Casino, Crooner's Bar, and the Skagway and Ketchikan dining rooms. The Princess Casino offers a variety of slot machines, video poker, and classic table games like blackjack, roulette, and poker. Take 5 is right next to the main casino and offers a non-smoking area with slot machines. When the Crooner's Bar, which is right off of the Piazza, this is some place where they do have live music here with a piano. It's just a nice place to hang out and have a drink. This is the Skagway dining room, which is one of the 3 main dining rooms on Discovery Princess, the ship that we're on. So you can see it's a lovely space. This is the Ketchikan dining room. Now, this dining room is for flexible dining, which means you can come. They do give you a time, but you are not necessarily going to have the same wait staff and the same table every night like you do if you're in traditional dining. So in traditional dining, you get a time, and then the idea is you get the same wait staff and the same table every single night. The final deck on our tour is the Plaze Deck, with its Lotus Spa, International Cafe, O'Malley's Irish Pub, and the Juno Dining Room. The Lotus Spa is a luxurious wellness retreat offering a range of rejuvenating treatments and relaxation experiences. So this is the Enclave, and you can use it from 8 a.m. to 11. This is the Catch by Rudy's, which is one of the specialty restaurants that serves seafood. Right across from the Catch by Rudy's, you'll find guest services, which is the heart of the ship's hospitality. They're there to assist you anytime, day or night. Guest services may be the heart of hospitality, but the Piazza is the heart of the ship. Spanning decks 5, 6, and 7, this grand space is inspired by European town squares. The International Cafe is a popular 24/7 dining spot located right off the Piazza. It's a go-to place for specialty coffees, light snacks, and small bites any time of day or night. With its central location and cozy seating, it's a favorite gathering spot for guests. O'Malley's Irish Pub is another casual dining restaurant that is located on Discovery Princess. It offers live music and entertainment. Good Spirits at Sea is a unique cocktail bar that offers one-of-a-kind destination-inspired drinks. The bartenders will entertain you with a mini show with every drink ordered. The gelato stand serves freshly made authentic gelato in a variety of flavors. Here is also where you'll find the premium desserts that come with your Princess Plus or Princess Premier packages. This is the Juno dining room, and this is where we have our reservations. We have traditional dining, and we took the early time, which starts at 5, so we can make it to all the shows and the game shows. The Discovery Princess is a beautiful ship from the top to the bottom. If you love Princess Cruise Line, be sure to check out my Princess Cruise Line playlist next.